Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Meadows Elementary School, home of the Mustangs, where they always lead the way. And it was my second visit to the AM/PM after school program. The first time I came last school year, we talked about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. Today, we focused on bullying and looking at someone's heart first. And it was such a beautiful afternoon with all the students and the staff here, just getting to share my heart and saying how important it is to see someone for their heart first, right? Our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. One finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat them. But also it's two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or we can say something so mean it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And so that starts with seeing someone for their heart first, but also for this too. I talk about this in all my assemblies we all have with the lines on our hands, like it says there. The M for miracle, also for Mission Meadows Mustangs. But this M, right, with the lines on our hand, I have at least one in each hand. I trace one of mine here. But that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, now it's our job to go out into this world and start to show more love and show more kindness. And so a couple of students that came up to me today that said that they were facing bullying, how needed in today's day and age this type of work is, that we're trying to instill these values in our young people, to really just kind of give them that armor and that strength, to be able to stand up for what's right if they see something that's not right, or how to stand up for themselves too, in a nonviolent, peaceful way, to rise above that hate, show people that are causing that pain some love, because they probably really truly need it. And that's one of the biggest reasons I say why bullying happens, is that hurt people, but healed people heal people. And so if we start to take that approach, that mentality, that focus, we start to rise above that hate, and we start to rise by lifting others. And again, for them to just be all ears, there were so many pin drop moments today in between the positive rap music that I did about peace, about kindness, the inspirational videos, the heartfelt stories. They really just did understand what I was trying to convey. And that's always the inspiration for me, right? Everyone always asks me, who inspires you? And it's you. It's the people that watch these videos, the people that hear my assemblies, that I keep doing this because, of how much my heart really truly does cry and bleed for our youth and our young people especially, but people of all ages. And so again, I'm just so honored to keep having this privilege to impact young hearts and minds. So thank you for that opportunity. I'll see you again a few more times this coming school year, but until then though, have a great start to 2023, 2024. And as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.